Guys, in this video, we will be learning pip in Python. What is pip? Pip stands for Package Installer for Python. What are packages? Packages is nothing but these are some files, these are some library or modules you can say, which are not there with Python built-in libraries. Okay, when you install Python, so there are so many things, so many modules or library which are not part of the Python framework, right? Such functionalities, such libraries, such packages we can refer from the internet. Python refers to a distribution of Python code that includes one or more modules or libraries. So these packages are typically published on the Python package index, right? pypi.org. Here, if you see, so this is pypi.org. Here, this is the source from where we can download outside packages, right, in our Python code. Actually, Python pip comes pre-installed on 3.4 or older version or Python, right? To check if pip is installed or not on my machine, so you have to either go to your terminal. This is PyCharm IDE. So I have opened the terminal to check whether pip is installed on my machine, on my environment. So there is a command pip hyphen version. So it will give you, yeah, pip 23.3 latest version is installed on my machine. Okay, if you want to install it on your machine, so you have to follow few steps, right? So there is a one more link, that is pip documentation link. Here if you see how we can install pip manually if it is not there on our machine, so there are steps, right? So you can check out which OS you want to install it on. If you have version, you can ensure the upgrades is there or not. So you see, to install pip there are steps. Download a script from here and open terminal. You just type in this command, right? Once you type in this command, then you will be able to use it. Okay, then once you install, you can upgrade it. Okay, so these are the steps you can use on this link. You can install the pip on your machine. Okay, once it is installed, then you can install other packages, okay, outside packages into your Python code. So that exercise we are going to do in our tutorial. Okay, and if you want to list the packages, so we can open our console and we can type in one command pip list. So whatever packages are installed on my machine in my environment, you will be able to see this, right? So I have camel case, numpy, pandas, certify, pip, request, and wheel, right, 6. So these are the total packages which are installed on my machine, on my environment. So this is PyCharm editor, and here if you want to see, that will show you the settings, Python interpreter. The same thing you can see over here, right? I have Python 3.12 version installed on the machine, and you can see the package, total packages which I have installed it on my machine, right? So I can use any of the packages in the Python program. I can use it, any of the functionality, right, from these packages. So you have to be very careful about upgrading the packages or downgrading the packages. Okay, so these are total packages on my machine. Let me close it down. So we are going to see how to install packages. This command we are going to see. Even we are going to do one exercise Python tutorial, that I have one string. I want to convert this string into the camel cases. Let's say I have coding news today. In order to convert this string into camel cases means the first character would be upper, right? Right. So this will convert like this. Okay. So I'm going to use one package camel cases. If you go to the pypy.org, if you want to find out the camel case, anything if you want to search out, so you will get camel case 0.2, right? This is already installed on my machine. So this package provides us to convert a string to camel case with the ability to include word to skip over, right? So this is the description of the package. This is the command you have to execute on your terminal, right? With pip. Pip is installed already on the machine. So with help of pip, you can install this camel case package. Okay. And you can check out the history also, right? You want to check out the release history, right? How many versions are released previously. So this is the version latest, right? It is very old. download file, you can see there is a .aziz file. You can download it on your machine and you can install this package locally also, right? Instead of taking from the internet, you can just download it, or anywhere you can use it locally. So that is the purpose of this file. Since I have already installed this package on my environment, so first let me remove it. If you type in that pip uninstall camel case, it is asking yes, so successfully uninstall is done. If you check out the library again from here, either here and there, it is still there, it is in cache. If you see pip list, so you will get that camel case is not there now. Okay, we have uninstalled it. Okay, so I am just showing you how to use uninstall command. Now our idea is to convert this string into camel case with help of camel case package, right? So in order to use the functionality of camel case, we have to install the camel case package, right? To install it, we have to type command install, press enter. Okay, so it is collecting the files successfully installed. Your library would be updated, right? You see, you will get camel cases is appeared now. Okay, so now it means you can use this camel case package into your Python program, right? So let me close it down. So we are going to import camel case, right? And we are going to create one object camel case and then camel case. You see the code, right? This code is already written there. You can copy it and paste it, right? So we are going to create c.hump method, right? So let me going to print c.hump. Okay, hump actually converts your string to the camel case, right? So let me execute the program. So you will see your string is converted to the camel case, right? This is a string and this got converted to the camel case, right? So this is the advantage of using outside packages, right? Outside libraries into your Python code, right? In order to achieve this functionality, right, hump, so you might have to do so many things, right, with your Python programs. So there is no need to write this type of things again and again in your programs, or maybe you don't need it. These are already there, right? You just check out the packages source. Okay, just check the license. Okay, this is important. And who is the author, right? So before using any of the package from here, you have to just check the license term. Okay, whether you can use it or you cannot use it. Okay, so this we have to be very careful about this taking outside packages. Okay, so we have seen find packages, list packages, install packages, uninstall packages, right? Let's see, there is one more case using requirements files. There is a scenario you might need to install more than one packages, in one go, right, in the same command. So how you can install multiple package, right? So you have one file with you, right, so that you can execute multiple packages. You can install multiple packages. How? Let me go back to my physical path. I have to create a file, text file, that is requirements.txt. Okay, I am putting, let's say, numpy. I'm putting camel case. Okay, so what I want to install two packages in one go, right, from this command. So what I have to do, I have to just say pip install parameter I have to set and require, right, dot txt, right? As soon as I enter the command, so you see, so these two line executed, right? So it is saying requirement already satisfied, means numpy and camel case is already installed, right? Did you get it? If you want to uninstall both two packages in one go, so what you can do, you have to just say uninstall. Instead of install, just say uninstall. Press enter. You will see. Okay, so it is saying it will remove the file from here, here, here. Okay, so you have to press Y if you are confirming. Otherwise, no. Right. So I'm pressing no. So I wanted to show you how you can install or uninstall multiple packages in one go, right? You can put your all packages into the file. Even you can mention the version number, right? Double equal, right? You have to put double equal for version, which specific version you are going to uninstall or install, right? So with help of pip command, we can install other packages, uninstall other packages, right? We can find packages, okay? We can install multiple packages at the same time, okay? Okay, with single command, right? And even we have achieved how we can convert a simple string to the camel cases. Okay, this we have already seen in this demo. If you have any query, you just leave your query in the comment box. We will try to cover your query in the upcoming videos. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.